set birthday reminders on Android, open contacts on your Android device. Then you have to select any contact that you want to set the birthday reminders of. Once you open under contact settings, as you can see reminders option, select it and from here select new reminder. And here you can see the label. It has been set to birthday as default. If you don't see the label as birthday, you can tap a small arrow next to it and select birthday, and you can choose the date as well. Under notification, you can get notifications in addition to in-app reminders, that is on day of, 2 days before, 7 days before, or 2 weeks before. You can select any one you wish to and on check mark which you don't require, and tap on save button at the top right corner of the screen. So the reminder has been successfully saved. So that is how we easily set birthday reminders on Android. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next